Friend, are you looking for how to make a guilt-free, low-carb, moist keto banana bread that satisfies your sweet tooth? Well, look no further than our moist banana bread recipe today. This delightful creation that you're about to learn how to make will have you questioning whether it's actually keto or low carb or not. With a combination of wholesome ingredients and a moist, tender texture, this banana bread is sure to become a favorite in your household. Imagine sinking your teeth into a slice of warm, fragrant banana bread fresh out of the oven, and the aroma of cinnamon and ripe bananas in the air, making your mouth water in anticipation. But here's the best part. It is actually 100% keto friendly. Each heavenly serving is packed with flavor and incredibly low in carbs. Only 3 grams of carbs net per serving. You can indulge in this delightful treat without derailing your keto diet or your low carb lifestyle. So let's get to discovering just how to make this. Hello, I'm Walter Bell of lowcarbfoodrecipes.com, and I welcome you today to my YouTube channel where I'm featuring another delicious low-carb, keto-friendly recipe. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on today's video recipe. And be sure to click the link in the description below, which will take you to my website, lowcarbfoodrecipes.com, for a downloadable copy of today's recipe.